Gorgeous open water views with great building size and approximately 174 feet of water frontage. Cool lake breezes on this wonderful property, big enough to build the house of your dreams, located on a quiet cul-de-sac. Mattie Caston Shores features a public boat ramp and is restricted to site-built homes with a minimum of 1,100 square feet living space with no time limit to build. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903-874-0001. That's 903-874-0001.